Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hassan Samir, and today I've got something special for you, a 100% working Saily discount code that saves you a good chunk of money. Right now, this is one of the best deals available online, and I'm going to show you exactly how to grab it. Getting this deal is super simple. Click the special link I've added in the video description. I've also pinned it in the comments for your convenience. That link already includes the latest coupon code, so no need to search around. On the Saily coupon code website, click the Get Code button. Note, I'm not showing the actual code in this video because Saily updates them frequently. To get the most recent working code, just click the link below. Copy the code. Now click the destination and search your destination. For example, I am selecting United States. Once the plan's page loads, choose the plan you like. It may look a bit different over time. Saily sometimes updates their website layout, but the discount still works. Once you select the plan, click the Go to Checkout button to head to the checkout page. You may see a pre-filled code. Remove it. Now click on Got a Coupon option and paste the discount code you copied earlier, and you'll instantly see the price drop significantly. That's it. Now just choose your preferred payment method, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps support the channel. And if you want more useful tips, deals, and tech content, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of your loved ones.